the fruit.
Wingo.
So they cut the middle, and you have 2 cups, like 2 cups. You drink water, you drink masato, you take shower with that. This is natural, like a bowl.
What does it taste like?
Some people make a juice, mix it with water and sugar. There, when it's small,
Wingo.
people use making rattle.
Oh, rattles, yeah.
Rattles.
Chacapas.
Yeah, like chacapa.
This one is called stepmother's tongue, right?
Right, yeah, right.
Mother-in-law's
I have
tongue.
a lot
Yeah.
of those. Yeah. Sometimes the life in the jungle is not easy. It's very hard. Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes, yes.
Ask Baby Cito.
In front of this, that island, so every year the water covers all that place, and that the water kills, the farm, bananas, plantain, cucumber, vegetable. It's very hard to live there. But in this place is high. It's really high, no problem. Yeah, you have to have your farm, you have to fish in the river to sell your vegetables, your fruits, and potatoes, and yeah.
So this is the only tame monkey they have?
Yeah, they have 2, but 1 left to go.
Oh, probably.
Yeah, he stay here because we feed him. Berani. The name, Koto name.
Yeah, I can see him asking. Oh, he's scratching.
I was talking with the man. He said
Hi.
in the morning this monkey was screaming because he was touching the nest.
Ooh, and he got stung.
Touching the monkey. Berani.
I want to have a tail.
You can just see. But you have tape before the last ceremony, the last week. The maestro said that.
Lady.
I think you need to be so specific because you've had a tail.
It's cigarette, the name. This wasn't in the beginning.
Yeah.
Maybe you should ask
The
Pupa.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
You
but
see it's empty.
change.
Is it a moth? Or a butterfly?
But it's like they can
her leg.
into the ground
Although
live for
you
almost
already have one.
You can grow your
13 or 15 years, and when they outside,
Mm-hmm.
they can live for 2 weeks. I mean,
And it's a beetle or a fly or
Mm.
like a butterfly or something?
no,
You have to
they.
wait for the root to grow, and then you have to cut
Sorry,
it out.
I don't remember
It's a
well,
special tree.
Mm.
but I know when they are, and they are very noisy.
Oh, it's like a cicada.
With the
Cicadas,
tentacles.
yeah,
Cicada.
I know.
Is that? Yeah, but it's incredible because
Yeah, and you
inside they are so grown.